Morning students, today I shall discuss about the tribal identity today. That means what kind of identity tribal people have at present. Forced incorporation of tribal communities into mainstream processes has had its impact on tribal culture and society as much as its economy. That means when one community is forced to incorporate or to mixed with other community, then the community which was forced to mix slowly lost their cultural identity, and that affect their economy too, because when they mixed with other sections of people, they lost their own identity. In the same way, tribal identity today are formed by the interactional process. With whom they interact? With the non-tribals, that means mainstream Hindu, rather than any original characteristics which is peculiar to tribe. That means at present, when they incorporate with mainstream people, they lost their own cultural identity and they lost their original characteristics because they had to adopt the culture of non-tribals. Many tribal identities today are centered on ideas of resistance and opposition to the non-tribal world. That means when non-tribals force them to incorporate with mainstream, that means force them to mix with non-tribal people, at that time they start opposing the non-tribals. And after several years of struggle and resistance, the tribal people got the statehood for Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh, and that was one of the achievement of the tribals. And the tribals, those who led the movement, were educated sections of the tribals, and they formed educated middle class among the tribal communities. Now, the most visible sections of the northeastern states, and in conjunction with the policies of reservation, education is creating an unbiased professional class. On the other hand, many of the states of the northeast have been living under decades under special laws that limit the civil liberties of citizens, and the states have been declared as disturbed areas. That means in disturbed areas people cannot enjoy civil liberties, they cannot enjoy all the freedom which the other citizens of other states used to enjoy. Citizens of states like Manipur and Nagaland do not have the same rights as other citizens of India. And recently, I think many of you have gone through the news that on 30th June, the central government again declared Nagaland as disturbed area for another 6 months. Tribal people started resistance or opposition to the non-tribal because of two broad sets of issues. First issue related to the control over vital economic resources like land and especially forest. Already in the previous topic, I have discussed that non-tribals occupied their land and government reserved the forest on which their livelihood depended. So they start tribal movement. Secondly, issues relating to matters of ethnic cultural identity. As tribals were forced to incorporate with mainstream Hindu people, so slowly they lost their own cultural identity, and because when they mixed with the other sections of people, they had to adopt their culture through the process of acculturation and Sanskritization. So the tribal people started resistance. So these were the two issues for which tribal people started movement. These two issues often go together, but with differentiation of tribal society, they may diverge, because the reason why educated middle classes within the tribal society may assert their tribal identity may be different from the reason why poor and uneducated people or poor and uneducated tribals join tribal movement, because every group has their own thinking. They have different reasons to join the tribal movement. Every group has their own perspective to join the movement. So, there might be a differentiation within the community. And in the future, these kind of internal changes and external forces will shape their identity. Okay, so different sections of people, because amongst the tribal there is differentiation now. Some are rich, some are educated, some are poor. So different tribal groups has their own perspective, and because of that the identity is different. Okay, thank you.